Yo, what's up guys? We've got a really cool video today. We're in Claremont, Florida, riding with the Husqvarna factory racing team. We're gonna be doing like a day in the life of Aldon Baker's training facility. And I'm really excited to do something totally different than what we normally do. So let's go check it out. All right, so first up, we're gonna go cycling today with the Baker boys. A couple of big shout outs to start the video. Gotta give a big one to MindFX. Kevin over there has been a huge supporter of mine for a while. Always use his supplements and rocking the MindFX kit today. Also gotta give a big shout out to 100%. Set up with the new S3 glasses. These things are super sick and I can't wait to ride with them in today. Lastly, Mobius braces. They got me set up. You guys know I broke my wrist a few months ago, and this wrist brace has been a huge help in getting back to riding.
So obviously today is more of on a typical day, it's their rest day. We're gonna do pretty much like an out and back little loop, nothing crazy. So today is more of a mellow day, and then obviously tomorrow we'll do another bike ride. That one's a little bit more than what today. I do, want the guys to behave and not be trying to flex everything they've got and all that, and prove to this bunch that they're the next superstar.
Okay, so we actually got to go on this bike ride, which was really fun, kind of get to meet the guys and just get a little introduction with everybody. We rode some back roads. There's really no bike lane out here, so it's pretty interesting, a lot different than what we ride back home. Nailed about 20 miles in an hour, which was really fun. From there we went to the actual Baker's factory, where we're going to do a dinner for the presentation of the new 2022 Rockstar Edition bikes. We got to actually walk around on the Supercross track, or one of the Supercross tracks, and just kind of get a feel for the facility, see everything on what we were going to be riding the following day. From there we actually went into the shop here. This is where the riders do some debriefing and the mechanics do all the bike prep. We were here for the unveiling of the 2022 Husqvarna FC250 and FC450 Factory Edition, or Rockstar Edition. This is going to be usually a feel of what the bikes are going to be for the 2023 production model, but this is the 2022 Rockstar Edition. We also got a chance to look at the actual team bikes for the riders.
What's up guys? Day 2 here at the Baker's factory. We're all geared up. We're gonna have a big day today, doing some road biking, do some moto and some gym work. The boys just got here, you can see 100% got me laced up with this new kit, and we are ready to roll. Let's get it. All right, keeping up with day 2. Just finished the bike ride. Super fun. We did like the big lake loop. Really cool to ride with all the boys. Good pace Monday morning. Get the week started off right. Now we're at Baker's factory. We're getting geared up now and gonna do some motos. So yeah, it's ready. Let's go.
just finished riding moto, and dude, it's so good. Eating roost for the last 20 minutes, pretty brutal. I left my freaking GoPro in the rental car, and the rental car dipped, so I have no GoPro footage, but it's all good. Dude, what an experience. The sand track here is so gnarly, so much different than anything we have back home in California.
All right, so after we watched the boys do some motos, we went to the gym with Aldon to do like an hour of a circuit workout. He showed us a lot of really cool variations of stuff that I'm definitely going to use when I get back home. And man, yeah, it really kicked our butts in the gym.
All right, guys, just made it home from Florida early this morning. Just want to give a big shout out to everyone at the Baker's Factory and Husqvarna for putting that trip together. Really just an awesome experience and something I'll never forget. Really hope you guys enjoy these kinds of videos. I just have fun kind of documenting what we're doing and then putting it all together. Something fun to watch back later and check it out. So if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you later.